Hello everybody, I'm going to do a quick video on how to do a little simple maintenance on your Milwaukee M18, M12 cordless drills. It's pretty simple. Bottom, your batteries go, the clip right there. What you do is pull it off with a screwdriver. And then you're going to take your T10 and remove all the screws around that one side. Which I've already done. These are what they look like. If it'll focus. The tools you'll need: screwdriver, little cleaning. You're gonna need some kind of a good grease lubricant. I use fishing reel lubricant, lithium grease, I guess. But yeah, you just get in there, take that off, and you can clean it up, down into these areas here, and get all your dust and dirt and everything out. Up in here is where the gears are spinning for your truck. And what you're going to want to do is take your grease, get it in there, and pull the trigger. Put your battery back and you pull the trigger, and you can see the gears spinning. You just add a little bit here, reverse it. You get it all done, cleaned out and everything. Put your cover back on, screw it back on, put your clip, and it's done. Take care of them, they'll last a real long time. Thank you for watching.